Welcome to our channel. Welcome to each and everyone. Please subscribe and share to your friends. We are discussing about the transformer, a series of transformer with a short term course and short termly. So let us take the OC test. If you take an OC test, in an OC test, before you wanted to do a OC test, you are going to make the open circuit of your secondary winding is going to be opened, and into the primary winding, this is the primary winding. So for the primary winding you are going to arrange some meters. So that is voltmeter is been arranged, and also an ammeter is been arranged, and a watt meter is also going to be arranged. A watt meter is also going to be arranged, and you are giving the input supply, that is terminal voltage V1 is given here, and you have kept the secondary winding as open. So I wanted to say that from this OC test, so by taking the reading of the wattmeter, that reads the losses or the power, that is nothing but iron losses has been recorded. That value is been taken from the wattmeter. Pi is equals to the voltage that is been occurred, and that is voltage occurred in your open circuit, that is OC, and your current reading by the ammeter, and that is being taken, and the cos phi, the value of this is being getting from this equation. So Pi is equals to VOC I naught cos phi. So you can get through these instruments. So cos phi is equals to, if you don't know the cos phi, so you wanted to find the cos phi, the wattmeter reading by your voltmeter and your ammeter readings, you can find the power factor. So cos phi is nothing but your power factor can be obtained from this by the meters readings, whatever you know. So you know the general formula what we had discussed at the first round of our topics, that is IW is the working component, that is iron component. IW is equals to I naught cos phi naught is the regular formula, and that is one is your magnetizing component. I mu is equals to I naught sin phi naught. So this is the formula. If you know the phi value, you can find the cos phi as well as same phi, sin phi by the same manner. So you will be very familiar with these formulas, which is been also called as branch current formulas at the primary winding, that is IW and I mu. So now R naught. So you wanted to find the resistance component of your winding R naught by simply with your Ohm's law formula, that is with the help of VOC by IW by your IW. In the same reactance at no load can be found by VOC by I mu. These branch current formulas are very useful to find the no load resistance of the primary and no load reactance of the primary. This both can be found. This is the no load resistance of the primary, and this is the no load reactance of the primary. We can find by using the OC test. These are the basic things of your OC test and why we are doing the OC test. By using this, you can find the that is iron losses which is written by your wattmeter can be finded by using ammeter and voltmeters. You can find the power factor. After finding the power factor, you are going to find that these things, that is IW component and I mu component, and you are going to find the R naught component and X naught component. This is the procedural thing what you have to know about the OC test by each and every electrical student who are reading the transformers. So now come to SE test. So SE test, it's a very important SE test. So in SC test, you are making the arrangements as the same, and you are making the arrangement a wattmeter here and a ammeter here and a voltmeter. So there is little complications even in these circuits also. So placing of wattmeter here or placing of wattmeter after these meters, there is a little complications that is unnecessary for the diploma level and ITI level students. So let us make a short circuit of the secondary winding. So the short circuit is being made by the secondary winding. So from this is reading that PSC is being read by it, that is the power at the short circuit level is being read by this wattmeter, and you know that ammeter and voltmeters. So if you, this is the ammeter which is read by ISC, and it is being read by the VSC. VSC is going to. So if you want the, similarly if you want the R equivalent component is equals to, that is PSC by ISC square. ISC square. You know that power P is equals to I square R. From that formula, if you want the resistance, equivalent resistance of the primary, that is R equivalent is equals to your PSC by ISC square. From that you can find the R equivalent. Similarly, if you want to find the X equivalent, so X equivalent, before finding that X equivalent, if you want to find the Z equivalent, so you know that Z equivalent is equals to R equivalent plus J X equivalent. So you can make even after finding the Z equivalent, you can find the R equivalent. So Z equivalent is equals to formula VSC by ISC. VSC by ISC. If you want X equivalent by these formulas, that is square root of Z equivalent whole square plus minus R equivalent whole square. From this you can find the X equivalent. To find the cos phi SC, the power factor at the short circuit level, we have R by Z formula. Similarly, R equivalent by Z equivalent. So cos phi is equal to R by Z. Whatever you have learned in the circuits, you are going to be implemented here. Cos phi SC is equals to R equivalent by ZSC. So you are going to have, these are the analysis what we have been made on SC test. This is a very important things, that is by using the SC test you are going to find the R equivalent, Z equivalent and X equivalent, and also the short circuit power factor is going to be found. Here also similarly by these things you can find the power factor, I naught component, that is a combination of IW and I mu components from the extracted from the I naught component, so that R naught and X naught is being given. So these are the things what we have been loading in the transformer. So that is we are going to do the test on the transformer and been getting the outputs of OC and SC test by this. So please subscribe my channel. If the things are very interesting and very simple manner whatever you are saying, so you please subscribe my channel. I am signing out. Thank you.